20 years ago, 1,000 Salesforce customers gathered in downtown San Francisco for the first ever Dreamforce. That was 2003. Established in 2003, Dreamforce has grown into far more than just a conference. It has now become the largest software conference in the world, and is an epic annual family reunion. Throughout the pandemic, Salesforce has innovated with new ways to share the Dreamforce magic. Dreamforce never stopped, but this year, Salesforce is going big with Dreamforce. Coming home to Moscone Center, unlocking the magic that only Salesforce can deliver. It's an experience like no other. Previous years have attracted more than 170,000 registered attendees from all over the world. And now with Salesforce Plus, even more. Everyone can join from anywhere. Attending Dreamforce is proven to deliver results. 87% learn to accelerate business growth. 89% save time. 86% solved business challenges. 83% discovered a new tool or product. Dreamforce is the place for inspiration about how the future can work, discovering new products and tools, networking with industry peers, engaging with industry luminaries and thought leaders. Dreamforce 22 is going to have it all, from inspiring keynotes and sessions to visionary thinking, and the future of technology to actually changing the world. It's an empowering and inspirational gathering. Can't make it to San Francisco? Register for free to join us exclusively on Salesforce Plus.